Yeah.
Well, here in our operations center, we made some significant improvements, primarily for safety, and then secondarily for outage response. It's important to us that we know where our employees are at. It's important to know where our members have outages at. And as we put those together, we see safety and efficiency come together.
And it gives us some ability to predict where we're going to need the crews at with the intensity of the storm, so we can always be thinking ahead somewhat.
We have our outage map now that we can see the locations, estimated number of people out. We have our locations on our trucks up on one of our screens. We have an OMS system on there that when a member calls in, it automatically puts it in the system.
Just knowing where the crews are, knowing, visualizing where the outages are, you can kind of make decisions a lot easier, a lot quicker. In a very large outage, we always have a supervisor here that, we can discuss what needs to be done, and who needs to be called.
We make sure we have a minimum amount of material on hand to take care of storms. If it turns into a larger storm, I have vendors that I have access 24 hours a day, and I can call them and order the supplies and have them start coming in immediately.
A lot of stuff we can't control. Tree trimming we can by keeping a routine or a yearly maintenance on our trees and our power line. We have 11 tree trimming crews and 1 spray crew that are on the property year-round. SEMO Electric invests $1.5 million for reliability purposes and also safety purposes too.
We as a cooperative have to be ready before the storm hits, but so do you. Here's some things you need to have on hand. Candles, 3 to 4 days of non-perishable food, bottled water, blankets, a camping stove, matches, a battery-operated radio, prescription meds, a first aid kit, and probably the most important thing to have is one of these, a National Weather Service emergency radio.
During times of severe weather, safety is never more important. Safety must be the first priority for you and for us.